My name's Bethan and I'm a social worker for Gwynedd. I've worked for Gwynedd for nearly 20 years. My role at the moment is a fostering social worker for short breaks. This means that families with disabled children are able to have short breaks. The children go and stay with foster carers maybe 1 or 2 nights every month or 2 months, and just have the experiences that they might not be able to have at home for different reasons. Becoming a foster carer with Made Cymru Gwynedd means that you're building a better future for local children. Have an amazing pool of foster carers in Gwynedd, and they all pull together, they support each other, they meet up regularly. It makes the caring easier when you know that you have support behind you. You're never on your own when you're fostering for Gwynedd. There's always support available, be it through the fostering team, the social workers, or the close-knit community of the foster carers who are already fostered for Gwynedd.